lDigital kids. Today let's learn the concept of A and D and. While reading stories or sentences, you must have seen this word A and D and. Do you know what is the use of it? And is used to join two words or two sentences. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं जब हमें दो वर्ड्स की फ्रेंडशिप करानी हो या दो सेंटेंसेस की, हम यूज करते हैं and को. Now see how. Here two objects are there, cup and pot. Now if we want to say it together, how we will say? अगर हमें कप पॉट दोनों को साथ में बोलना है, कैसे कहेंगे? We will say cup and pot. One more time, cup and pot. So here and is used as a connecting between cup and pot. Now let's see another example. Sun, net. They both are separate. Sun, net. Now let's make them friend. And how we will make them friend? By using and. We will use and in between. So how we will say? Sun and net. Sun and net. Now I hope it is clear to you where to use and. When you have to join two words or two sentences, you will use and in between. Like in this picture, you can see and is in between of all these objects. So we can say sun and net, cup and pot. Now, to do the friendship of words and sentences, always use and. This is all about use of and. Keep watching videos to be a smart digital kid. Now kids, let's see use of and to join two sentences. As I told you, we use and to join words or two sentences. So here if you see, two sentences are written. The first one is Reena is dancing. And second sentence is Reena is singing. Now, how will you join these two sentences? Very simple. You will use and in between both the sentence. And remember, you are talking about one person only, Reena. And what she is doing? She is dancing also, she is singing also. So no need to write Reena again. You can write the action and join it by and. Let's see how to make sentence. Reena is dancing and singing. I didn't write Reena is again because we are talking about the same person. I have just joined the actions of Reena. She was dancing and singing. So Reena is dancing and singing. So when you have to join two sentences with and, you will use in this way. I hope now it is understood when to use and where to use and for joining two words and two sentences. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.